It's Friday, we're going for a tour. Couple new things, couple things going on in this video. But since you guys have been unbelievable online, we're on our way right now to Henry's. We're gonna go buy a new camera. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Hopefully you guys like the new view. Let me know what you guys think about this view in the truck. I think we're gonna keep it. I love it. It's fantastic. It's gonna be the greatest success ever. All right, we're gonna go in here and see what we can out get. Like I said, I'm not sure really what I want to get yet. We're gonna try to figure something out, and hopefully they can help us out in here.
All right.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Whew. I want to thank everybody because honestly, doing this and being able to buy this stuff, it's the only reason I'm able to do that is because of you guys. So I want to thank every single one of you guys and girls that watch the channel and support me and support Chem Construction and what we're doing. And if you want to support us even more and you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and always just kind of comment down below, add the engagement. It helps a lot, guys. So we're gonna go charge this, get this camera all set up, and then we are going to do some plowing. The storage has been kind of neglected for the past kind of 3 to 4 days. So we're gonna go down there, clean it up for the holidays, make sure it's all clean. So me and Brad will get on it, and we'll have two GoPros. So we'll be able to get simultaneous GoPro, skid steer, and backhoe footage. Oh. And if in case you're wondering, it's still minus 30 out here. 121 liters of f***ing diesel, baby. Okay, what's for lunch, you might ask? We went to Sobeys here. Prime rib sandwich, Greek salad, reusable bamboo made fork, and a kombucha. Namaste, everybody. Having fun? Uh-huh.
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
All right, it's everybody's favorite motherfucking time, baby. Minus 30, they're both plugged in, so we gotta unplug them, and then we'll get going. I envy anybody on here who doesn't have to plug shit in or doesn't get super cold weather, because man, we get bad cold weather. Yeah. All right, I need you guys to let me know how it looks. The GoPro Hero 8 on Brad's skid steer. I'll transfer over to it right now. So let me know how that looked. Oh, I'm sweaty, but I look damn good, baby. All right, let's plow. Nice little vantage point up here, guys. We're getting her done. If you're wondering, hey Taylor, you look a little sweaty. I am pretty sweaty. We're almost done there now. Brad's doing one last little section, I think. Thumbnail. Oh, baby.
It's calling me like the rainbow. It's calling me like the rainbow. The rainbow.
All right, you guys are on the Hero 8 right now. That's why the audio might be a little bit different, but we had an awesome day plowing here. Makes you feel stupid, eh? Okay, we're gonna plug her in. All right, so we ended up getting all this cleaned out. We just wrapped up. You guys just saw, we just parked the backhoe. We got everything plugged in. It looks honestly awesome here now. We have everything cleaned up. Before we were kind of leaving it, and I said, you know what, let's get her done today. Clean it up before the weekend. It's Friday. Now, I know you guys are currently watching this on Saturday. So hopefully you guys are having an awesome weekend. If you're in construction, maybe you're off on winter break or Christmas break now, and really want you guys to enjoy a lot of special time with your family and just kind of enjoy that sort of side of it. So thank you guys for tuning in today for the video. Again, I appreciate your continued support, and honestly, like I said, with the GoPro and everything, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing without you guys watching. So I appreciate that. And if you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, give this video a comment, I appreciate it. Make sure to head over to our Instagram at KBTC2000. We'll make sure to catch you guys on the next one. And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the true ones, the true patrons of the channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you to comment down below, snow motion. Why snow motion? I haven't gone through the footage yet, but I'm pretty sure I got some pretty slick shots with that new GoPro today. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, I want you guys to comment down below, snow motion. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for being a true patriot, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.